good pricing and good product. Who doesn't want that? Well, if you are one of those who are interested in this topic, then please keep watching, or else just hit the subscribe button and see me next time. No, stay here. Alright. So I'm just kidding. Alright, so please keep watching because this is the brand that I'm really excited to show you, and there is one specialty about the brand that I'm going to tell you. Before that, you have to hit the subscribe button, and I'm waiting. Hit the subscribe button and the bell. Welcome to my channel. This is DEEPTI GABA, and I am here again this Friday to show you an amazing brand which just caught my attention. Why? Because the products of this brand will remind you some of the other product of the higher end brands. Yes, they are not the copy, they are not the dupes of the product, but yes, they are the dupes of the looks, like how they look. And the way they have done it is like quite commendable. So let's get started. I'm very excited to show you guys. So the first product is their Brow Pencil. Well, this is how it looks, and it is for rupees 4.99. By the way, you guys can buy these products from Amazon.com. You might find other pages on Instagram or anywhere else. They are selling it, but it is coming to you through Amazon, so you guys can directly. And you know, I saw on Amazon there were some of the SIVANNA products, they were not Prime, so I did not find them. Like I thought that maybe it's not original or it is like not SIVANNA. So guys, whenever you're buying from Amazon, just note that it has to be Amazon Prime. I'll just show you. So yeah, so you guys can go and buy only this, and all these products are the Amazon Prime, so that means that they are well verified. This is it, and now let us use it. So it comes with the dual end. It is in shade dark brown. It does have massive products, and I wished I could have all of those, but since I wanted to just see that how it is in starting, so then I'm gonna get more of those. This kind of triangle shape reminds me of Benefit Brow Pencil, the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, even that comes in this kind. It surely is a very nice and smooth pencil. It glides on my eyebrows very well. The color, really, I love it, because I thought this color when I saw it on the pencil was very light, but when I applied it, it was very little darker. But I don't know, somehow when it is on my brows, I really love it. And as you guys know, like I really am very finicky about my brows. So yeah, but then I love it the way it is, like so easy. And I obviously have been working with Benefit Goof Proof pencil quite a lot, so that is why it was very helpful for me to just have it. So now I think I have something that I can use it on regular basis. And it kind of doesn't give that gaudy look. It is very smooth and very much like your own brows. So yeah, thumbs up for this product of SIVANNA. So next we have a SIVANNA Color Story. It is the classical stone. It is classical tone eyeshadow palette, and how it looks like. First, let me just show it to you, and then I'm going to show you how it looks like. Here it is, and here it is. Hello friend! Alright, so this is completely, you can see. Oh, they didn't use the print the same, but oh my god, they have lots of, like, even I'm so confused which one was which. Oh my god. So like this, Naked has lots of other palettes, 1, 2, 3 and mini and so on. This also has lots of palettes. So let me just show up. This is how it comes in. This is in the earth tone, and this is how Naked palette looks like from inside. So you can see the brushes. Oh my god, they also look quite the same. Okay, so let me just take out the brushes and see. Okay, no, if you're gonna see, they are not exactly the same, but yes, the fluffiness is there in both. This one is the one by Naked. The one by Naked is like a little longer, and this one is a little fluffier and thicker. But on the other side, they both are almost same, like the application directly on the lid. So basically, if you guys don't know how do we use it, is this one is for the buffing and the smudging, and this is for the lid color. So before you know, doing it on my eyes, I am gonna just wash the colors. So let me just see, let's see, the color that is actually catching my attention is this one. Okay, these colors don't have names. Whereas in Urban Decay Naked palette, it does have names, like all of them. But the best is like, it does have brush and mirror, and oh my god, they have like, oh wow. So this is what caught my attention, and do you see this? Oh wow. Okay, now let me go on the black. I always like the palette that has matte black in it, but do you see this? Oh man, it is like so pigmented. Okay, let's go on the orange. Well, quite commendable. Let's go on this white. Wow. Okay, let's go on a little more of, let's go on this little mauve. Wow, this looks so pretty. I love it. Alright, so guys, swatches. Now we are gonna just do it here on my, oh, and one more here. Yes, I think I'm gonna go with the same brush that is there. I already have a little bit of like the foundation coating on my eyes, so I'm not gonna use anything else beneath because I want to see how pigmented it is. So something that's catching my attention is this color. So I'm going to use maybe, like, let me just see how it goes. So first let me just use, it doesn't have a matte color for sure, like maybe in this palette, maybe other one, yes they do have. So since I'm using this palette, so let me just use the products from these. So I'm going to use very little of the transition color because I'm not happy with this palette not having a matte transition color. So I'm using that mauve shade that I just washed. Let me just see how it sits. Alright, so somehow it's not like wow on the skin. Let me just still not lose hope and just wait for the darker shade because this one anyhow is light, but I still expected it to be more pigmented. Okay, so let's just now shift to the darker one. Okay. Alright, so this is still being visible. So this one is good. Alright, so I can just notice this, that when I'm applying the second coat of it, it is really getting good pigmented. Like, I like it. But somehow I feel that if we apply from the fingers, it's gonna look much better. So let me just try that. Yes, there is little difference if you just, oh yes, there is a lot of difference if you apply it from the finger. So this reminds me of Huda Beauty's textured palette where it looks so much better once we apply the textured colors from the fingers. So the next palette is SIVANNA Colors Velvet Eyeshadow. So this is how it looks like. Ta-da! Yes, it looks like a whole life shadow palette. I don't have this palette, that's why I'm just showing you in this. And it's not the copy of the colors, it is just how it looks. So basically you're going to see the hearts, like, you know, like how it has hearts on eyeshadow. This corner, light pinky, peachy shade. So I'm just using this. Oh my god, once I'm running it, I'm applying this with the finger because I just feel like it kind of should be better with that. Let me just apply on the center of my lid now. Well, if I'm applying with the fingers, it kind of is blending also pretty well. Well, of course, it is good pigment in this price, very good pigment. And I'm gonna take this again product and just kind of blend the color pretty well with this. It's kind of blending very nicely. I like it. And the brush also is really nice. I like the brush. While I was applying it, and since I was doing it with my fingers, so this hat moved. So, not good. It's too much creamy, so it has to be like well maintained. It is a super eyeliner, 24-hour long lasting winking charm eyeliner. It has a liner on one end and a smudger on the other. So I'm gonna just swatch it here. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's very smooth, buttery, and let's just see if it kind of smudges well. So it smudges quite well, so I just want to do it on my eyes. First I want to just fill in my lower lash line. Well, yes, it takes a little more time than a higher end or a very good kajal, because I have to take a little more. It is buttery, but yes, it does take little longer time to just actually sit in. Now is the time when we just smudge it. So I take this and just smudge it a little bit. It smudges nicely, but it takes time. Like it took time to apply the liner, it took time to actually smudge it. So let me just apply it on the upper eyelid as well and see how it sits. Well, it is dark for sure, but I do not like the smudger. It was not smudging the way I wanted to. It was smudging here, but still not here. So as a kajal, it is nice if you have to just apply it on the inner corner, but if you have to apply it on the upper eyelid as a kajal, I don't think so. So something that I don't have it right now with me over here in my studio, but I have it with me personally, that is these palettes, and they look like probably brown 24 karat. It does come in lots of shades, but I have these two, the one that is in 03 and 02, shimmery neutral tones, and this one is more of the pinky peach tones. So I'm gonna just apply both of them a little bit and just show you how it is pigmented. Just first go and just swirl it. Okay, something for you guys, like it's not that you know you have so many different colors, so it's of no use because you anyway have to do that. You can use the lighter one by just like rubbing your finger and having this, and you can have this darker one by rubbing it in this direction and have these two. So it is not that every time you just need to do this and have the same color. Okay, so I'm just gonna start up here. Oh my god, this is pigmented, darling. Oh my god, wow. Oh wow. So you do, guys, I'm just taking it off extra because I don't require so much. It's so pigmented, and yes, you can apply this only once you are just using a blush and a highlighter. You don't need both, you just need this one. Is like wow. So next is we're gonna do this one, that is palette. The one that I just applied is 03 palette, and the one that is now what I'm applying is 02. And let me just use a little bit. Let me just apply here. Okay, actually I think I have applied the other one, so that is why it's not showing up. Yes, but yes, it is good as well. Oh my god. Like, I am a huge fan of Bobbi Brown 24 karat brick palette, highlighting palette, and this is like good dupe of it. Yes guys, it is amazing. Oh god, this is like shining. This is again a very good buy, and I give them 5 on 5. Believe me, I give them 5 on 5 because with this price, yes, they do receive a 5 on 5. Okay, this one I'm really excited to show you guys. Oh, I love the highlight. Oh my god, this is good. God, ta-ta-da! So this is the lipstick that reminds everybody of Christian Louboutin lipstick, and oh my god, see this. You see the packaging and you see, like, of course there is difference, like it's textured here, and but of course the Louboutin isn't. But the way, oh my god, the packaging is mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. I have like 3 shades in this, so I'm just gonna show you, and I'll just put one and show you, rest I'm just gonna show it on my hand. But one drawback is, guys, there is no shade name on this. There is shade name on the product, on the cover, and this comes like in this kind of black cover. Okay, so it just says SIVANNA colors, and it's called Pegasus Brilliant Lipstick Star Products. So this is number 3, number 4 and number 1. So yeah, so let me just put number 3. I really love the color, the mateness. The only thing is about the texture. I feel that it looks much better when you are a little far, but when you come very close, like this close, and I'm seeing, I can still see a little bit of the you know, my lip color. So I feel like you know, again, you have to compromise on this for this cute little baby, but I feel like if you put a lip liner first and then apply this, you will not face this problem. But yes, and how much do you pay for this? Do you know that? On this, the amount written is 999, which I don't think it is 999. I'm gonna check out on the website Amazon, and I'm just gonna tell you here. But yes, in the invoice that they had sent me, it says 190 rupees, and I think it was somewhere near 200. Believe me, it was somewhere around 225. Yes, it was just for 225. So yeah, I think you can pay that much. Okay, the price of this I'm just gonna show you here. But yes, I mean, having this lady in your hand and pouting, oh wow. So next we have is another range of the lipsticks that they have. Oh my god, I love the packaging. I think it resembles some brand, but I am really not able to recall. And this is the 24-hour long-lasting matte lipstick. Yes, in this they do have the shade name here on the lipstick, and this one, again, the price is not mentioned here. I'm just gonna put it here and tell you guys. So this is shade 07, which I'm just gonna swatch it here. Now this one is more like creamier than this. This one is like completely matte, but this product is very creamy and very it's gonna be very hydrating on the lips. Next shade is 08, yeah, and this is more of like deep red shade. Again, very hydrating, and I love the texture. It's wow. So yes, I really find these lipsticks like really for regular use, and of course good price. Who else doesn't want that? I hope you love this haul of mine of SIVANNA colors through Amazon, and oh my god, who doesn't want this? So guys, I hope you like this look, and oh my god, this price and this look, why not? You know, it is compromising on somewhere here or the other, but yes, this range is amazing, and I really want to try out more products that it has. But till then, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are one of those who like the products, like good products in good pricing, then please like this video and share, and do not forget to subscribe. So I'm going to see you next Friday with a very new video. Until then,